Hey, what's up everybody? This is Ricardo, and in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in your XPS 9700. Keep it right here and we'll go through it.
Parts People tutorials. Upgrade or repair your Dell. Need the part? Find it here.
Now, one very good way of knowing that your battery is dead is that it won't hold a charge, and the only way for you to use your laptop is to have it plugged in. As far as tools for this repair, you should use a T5 Torx, as well as a Phillips #1 and a plastic scribe. Links for those down below. Okay, first unscrew and remove the bottom base, carefully using the plastic scribe to unsnap it as you go along. Now you'll unscrew and disconnect the battery. Okay, you've gotten this far and you're still having issues. What do? You can always reach out to us for diagnostics, repairs, upgrades, or anything else Dell related. We've specialized in Dell laptops for over 20 years, so if you need anything at all, link is. Now, the reassembly of your laptop is as simple as retracing your steps in reverse. If you still need to purchase your replacement part, click here to visit our site and find it. And while over there, you can view our printable instructions that include images to help you along the way. And also don't forget, we have more playlists here, so keep checking back. I do read your comments, so leave any questions you have for me down below. Thanks for watching.